Welcome back. If your phone keeps buzzing every time Snapchat sends an unread chat reminder and it's starting to get annoying, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn off vibration for those notifications so you can keep things a little more and distraction-free. Let's get straight into it. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your device-level controls live, including how apps send notifications. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Depending on your device, this might also be labeled as apps and notifications or something similar. Now, look for Snapchat in the list of installed apps and tap on it. This will take you to the app-specific settings where you can control permissions and notifications. Next, tap on Notifications. Here you'll see all the different types of alerts Snapchat can send you. From there, tap on Notification Categories. This section breaks down notifications into more specific types, giving you better control over what you receive. Scroll through the list until you find Unread Chat Reminder and tap on it. This is the setting responsible for those reminder alerts when you haven't opened a message. Now you'll see several options for that specific notification type. Look for the Vibrate toggle and simply switch it off. And that's it. You'll still get unread chat reminders if they're enabled, but your phone won't vibrate anymore, making things a lot less disruptive. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you're trying to stay focused or avoid constant interruptions throughout the day. If you found this helpful, you might want to explore other notification settings too and customize Snapchat exactly the way you like it.